This then gives us a simpler way of illustrating the economic incidence of a tax, a way where we don't actually have to shift supply or demand curves, but simply indicate the end result. We'll begin in panel C with the initial before-tax equilibrium. The new equilibrium quantity, xt, from a per-unit tax t, will lie below the original equilibrium quantity x star, and the price that producers receive can be read off of the supply curve as Ps. The price that consumers will have to pay can then be read off of the demand curve as Pd. And the way that we find the new equilibrium quantity xt is by simply introducing a tax wedge that's equal to the per unit tax t to the left of the original equilibrium intersection. It should be easy to see that the producer price Ps is the same as P prime minus T in panel A and as P double prime in panel B, and the consumer price Pd is the same as P prime in panel A and the same as P double prime plus T in panel B. Thus, whether the tax was statutorily intended to be paid by producers, as in panel A, or by consumers, as in panel B, doesn't really matter in terms of how much price increases for consumers and how much it decreases for producers. We can therefore see the economic incidence of the tax in a graph like panel C, where we don't worry about shifting demand and supply curves, but simply introduce the correctly sized tax wedge to the left of the original equilibrium point.